Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create parametric fins with a bulky belly. Alright, let's start. So at first we're going to build in a rectangle, which is same to the other tutorials. So the X size, we're giving it 6 meter. The Y size, we give it 20 meter. Then we're going to explode the curve, and then we list item to pick the edge that we need. We can set integer, change it into 1 here. So that's actually the edge we want to pick. And then we're going to divide curve. We're going to divide it into 100 segments. So that's our 101 points. Then we're going to move it up in Z direction. The height, we're going to give it 6 meter. So that's the top of the fin. That's the bottom of our fins. Next step, we're going to copy this again. We're going to build the point of the bellies. So type in graph mapper, right click, select Bezier, something like that. I'm going to create a range of numbers. The steps will be 100. That's the range. Is actually 101 number from 0 to 1. We use that as the input of the graph mapper. We type in multiple. Then we're going to multiple. We can get rid of that. Multiple the output of graph mapper with 6 meter. Connect back here. So now that's the belly position. We can actually change the point that we want. Guess something like that can be cool, or something like that. The next step, we're going to have another move it away from the plan we have. So we type in unit X in X direction. In X direction. So we're going to have another graph mapper here. Here, the multiple. This time we're going to give it the depth of the belly, which is 1 meter for now. Back it back here. That's the motion. So we can see the geometry will be the belly, the point of belly, something here. We can change a bit for the depths of the fins, something like that. Might be working. Next step, we're going to use polyline to connect all these points. So type in merge. So these are the bottom points, merge. These are the top points, these are the belly points, here and here. Then we graphed all the inputs, graphed. So if you use a panel to realize it, you can see we have about 100 branch, and in branch we have 3 points, and we're going to connect all the 3 points to have these polylines. So these are the lines we want. At the same time, we're going to use the line to connect the top and the bottom, which will be the line to the back of the fins. We just get it ready for now. And then we use fillet to fillet the sharp points of the polyline. Radius, we give it 1 meter. To point that we're happy with, something like that. It could be fine. We'll turn this off. Then we'll do another move. Choose unit X again. We'll give it 200. So now you can see they actually moved further away from the base plan. Right, and then we're going to build a edge surface. So edge 1 will be our lines, edge 2 will be the curves. Before we connect it, because that's a tree type of data, so we need to flatten that. So now we've got all these fins that we need. Then we can play with the curve here to have a better visualization. We can actually use a preview, custom preview. Then the material, will give it a swatch. Make it white, maybe 2, something like that, so we can easily visualize it. And then we can change the belly location shape. We can also change the depths of the extrusion from meter to whatever we want. Then the next step we can do is we extrude all those things to unit Y direction. The depths of the extrusion, we can give it 100 for now. Then we can test it. So now you can see the fins is ready to be baked out. And if we want to, for now we have all these gaps between fins. If we don't want any gaps, we can use a length parameter here to measure the length of our curve, and then we use divide to divide the number of fins. Then that's the fin depths. We can connect it back here. So now we have no fins. Then we take this one out. Okay. Now we save it, close it, change it to render. That's what we need. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. Please subscribe to support and check out my other videos.